Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be checking out some more fall haircut ideas. We start off with this really chic mullet style. This is one of the hottest trends that we are currently seeing that has managed to make a return. Love the way that this looks. And then here we have another haircut transformation. So she kind of starts off with a longer pixie style, and she gets the hair cut into a shaggy pixie. So cute. I think that this style is just such a fun look. It's right up there to me with the mullet because it has personality. Like, it's just a hairstyle that just brings forth personality. So moving on to the next one, she has this gorgeous long hair and she decides to switch it up with this really cute pixie style. This one features longer hair in the front. And then we have this gorgeous burgundy cherry Coca-Cola layered cut. Followed by another stunning pixie. This one features the asymmetrical look as well. Now this asymmetrical cut is a little bit more dramatic than the other one we saw. Both variations are super cute. So let us know in the comments below, how are you wearing your hair this fall season? Are you planning on doing anything to switch up your look? Here we have another major transformation. So she has a bob but wants to go shorter. And bam, she gets this really fun, carefree bob style, swoop bangs going there. This is more of like a mini bob variation. It's just a very fun and chic look. Beautiful and perfect for the fall. And then we move into another transformation. So she has hair around shoulder length and she gets a pixie bob haircut. The nape features a bit of a point there going in the back, kind of adding a bit of edge to the style. And then here we see someone with hair around shoulder length yet again who decides to get a pixie. Next up, another shoulder length style. She's got a bit of red to her hair. Ooh, and she also gets a pixie cut here. Then we got another pixie. Oh, he's doing the meme. Gorgeous platinum pixie cut here with the bangs. I love the color. Oh, wow. Check out this bob. Beautiful redhead here. Oh, wow. That color is just breathtaking. Then we move into our next transformation. She has hair around shoulder length. And she ends up getting an asymmetrical pixie with the undercut going. And she still has the color there in the bangs. Oh, I love the nape area. All right, so next up we have someone with a bob. She got a cut refresh. Gorgeous structured bob. This one features that classic angle. Beautiful and volumized. All right, so we have our last transformation for today's video. So she has short hair already, a bit of grown out color here. Ooh. So she got a cute pixie. I love the chocolate hair color here. So pretty. Gorgeous transformation. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles that you can rock out this fall season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.